Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an edit on Videostar for beginners. So what we're going to be starting with is you have to be subscribed, like you have to have a subscription, or else it doesn't give you the option to use multi-layer. Multi-layer is what I use to use all the effects and stuff like that. So yeah, so basically to make an edit, you want to press this right here, and then you can either select the song or edit a video. I very much recommend editing a video rather than selecting a song, because the songs they have here are not so good, and it's much easier if you have already screen recorded a song off of YouTube, Instagram, whatever you like, or something like that. And yeah, it's just easier like this, because then you're able to split it. Like, you're not able to split the clips if you're just selecting a song. So here's the song I'm going to be using right here. And so stack team. Yeah, okay, so it started, and then you set the end. So there's my ending. Once you press make clip, it will bring you to this screen right here. So then after this, you're gonna wanna split your scene so you can import photos. So I recommend splitting it on beat rather than just splitting it how you want, because then it's not gonna look right once you import the effects and stuff like that. So here, you're gonna press multi-split scene. You're gonna play the video. So stack team, nigga. Aye. Fuck a bag, 30 money in my shoebox. Diamonds on my neck, little nigga, all the goose stocks. From the bus to a stolly to a coupe drop. Shooters with that chopper, ain't no time with that roof drop. So basically, I didn't do it perfect, but make sure that when you do it, make sure you try to do it as perfect as possible, because you don't want your edit to look all scrappy and stuff. So basically, you have all your scenes and stuff, so you can import photos or videos. So yeah, you could import something. It doesn't really matter what you import. You can import any photo you want. And yeah, so that is how you split the scenes and stuff. So now you're gonna want to go to multi-layer, and go to multi-layer. You're gonna press this QR code right here. You can see it says import. So once you have screenshotted any QR codes, which I haven't yet done, it will give you the option to import it. So then once you import it, it will the effects will be shown. And just make sure you're not going on some random stupid pages that have the worst QR codes. And by the way, I do not make my own QR codes, because I'm not good with all that extra stuff like that. So I recommend using QR codes and letting those other people on Instagram that like to make them just screenshot theirs. And I don't give credit. I know that might be bad, don't come for me, but yeah, you can give credit to them, like they always say, give credit if you're gonna use, but you don't have to. You really don't. Sorry guys. But yeah, that's all I have for today. And yeah, stay tuned for next video, because then I'll actually show you guys how to use multi-layer. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the notification bell so you will be notified when I make a new video.